Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the old and the new way of writing code. In one of the earlier videos, we said the AI tools became popular in 2022. Even though the AI started around 1956, but 2022 with the point that the AI became popular. Why is that? The main reason for that is how the AI starts writing the code. The old way of writing the code, that the AI collect data. And then the AI get trained with this data and test this data and then provide the response. And this all the way, usually it takes about from a month to 7 months. So how does that work? It works that the AI, you give the AI a lot of data, and then the AI take all of this data and analyze them in a very complex way, and then give you the response based on the data you provided. But the new way of writing the data is by prompt. So it's a simple prompt to a large language model or LLM. And then you ask the AI to classify the review directly. And this new way, usually it takes between 1 minute or minutes to a few days. So that's why 2022 with a breakpoint for the AI, because the old way used to take up to 7 months to process the data. And the new way, it could take just a few days. So 7 months, it changed to a few days. How is that? So let's go into a little bit more details. In the old way, the AI used to use something called supervised model. How does the supervised model work? You give an AI information, you give an AI data. You tell the AI, when I tell you that the service was excellent, so consider this data as positive. And if I tell you that the pizza was delicious, so consider this information positive. But if I tell you that the service was slow, so consider this information negative. And if I tell you the service took a long time, consider this information negative. So here what we are doing, we are training the model. That's why we call it supervised model. And the supervised model, you have to give a lot of information and a lot of labels and a lot of data to the AI model to train the model. So next time you say delicious, so the AI already was trained that delicious meaning positive. And if you say slow, so the AI already was trained that slow means negative. So that's why it takes up to 7 months to train the model. The new way is using Python prompt with LLM or large language model. So Python model or Python prompt example, you write a prompt saying, classify the following review as having either a positive or negative sentiment, my drawing set was reviewed accurately and on time, and it saved me a lot of time and money. That's all what you have to write to the LLM, and automatically the new model understands that this is a positive without any training. That's why the old model, you train it and you give it a lot of information. It's almost like a kid. You are teaching your child how to walk. You are teaching your child how to talk every time in order for this child to start talk. But with the new model, you already have the prompt and the model understands what you are talking about. In this slide here, I just want to explain where is the Python name came from. It just was inspired by the Monty Python comedy group. Python is a high-level general-purpose language used for web development, data science, automation, AI, and more. The Python itself, it works by prompt. And as we explained in the last slide, that the prompt, it's a very simple prompt, and it will give you the result very quickly. The important thing about the Python, that the Python code is about 3 to 5 times shorter than Java code. Java, about like 10, 15 years ago, it was like the most important program language. And now the Python becomes 3 to 5 times shorter than the Java code. So Python, it's easier, faster to write, and great for AI tasks. So what are the common uses for Python code? Data science and AI, automation, software testing. In this slide, we're going to be talking about the Python workflow in sentiment analysis. From a website review to AI power sentiment classifications. What does it mean? You know, sometimes you go into a website and ask you to write a review. So the first thing, what you see a box like that, or what we call a website form entry. They ask you for your name and your review. So then you submit your review and you say, I love this product, and this is the user, and that's you. Then the Python backend receive the review and analyze your comments. I love this product. Then the Python create an automatic prompt. And this prompt classify your comment as a positive sentiment, and the software or the Python display the result into the website as positive sentiment. So what we saw here, that the older model used to take 7 months. The new model using Python code, it takes a few days to generate the whole code. And in the example we saw on the screen, that based on a website entry, so the software in the background or the back end will collect all of these comments and analyze the comments based on your input as a user, and then provide a response to the owner of the software, or the owner of the restaurant, or the owner of the company, explaining that this particular product is a good product because this product has a lot of positive reviews. This product has a lot of complaints because a lot of people complaining about that the product damaged or the product not exactly as described. And that's what we see when you go and purchase information, or you go and purchase product from Amazon. If you decided to go and return the product, usually ask you what's the reason. So when you fill this form on Amazon website, so this is actually a use of Python collecting data information to provide to Amazon, so Amazon can analyze this particular company regarding their product, and based on that, Amazon can push this company away, or can cancel the contract with this company, or can send a review to this company, or can give a warning to this company. Well, I hope this video was useful. If the video is useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll talk to you in the next video. And thank you so much for watching.